this one, you guys. This is really good for the heart center. A Kriya is a cleansing technique that involves breath control and repetitive motions or repetitive exercises. Kriyas can be dangerous if practiced for prolonged periods of time. We are not going to do that. If you want to activate your heart chakra, all you need to do is make the sound hum. The heart chakra is where the we starts. The lower three chakras are me-based. The heart chakra is ruled by the element of air. Go figure at this time with the virus and the state of affairs in the world and how we have to protect ourselves with masks when we go outside, and we don't want to cough on anybody. So it's a very interesting time that it happens to be ruled by air as well. The heart chakra represents the feelings for love and compassion. So the image of this chakra is a triangle pointing upward and a triangle pointing downward to make a star. Remember when you were little, you would make those little stars with two triangles. So when the triangle is pointing downward, it's pointing at the lower three chakras. And the lower three chakras are the cultivation of self-mastery of our impulses. We are driven by an impulsive society. We like to do things because we're emotional. So this is an opportunity to understand how to become the masters of that. And we are actually being forced into that right now because we have to stay inside. And so we're not able to really act on our impulses so much. One of the most beautiful parts about cultivating the heart chakra is how you see others and how others see yourself. When we look at others, if we have a really healthy heart and we're very centered in our hearts, we see ourselves in others. Isn't that beautiful? And the other part of that is that we can fully see others equally as important and lovable as ourselves.